Now let's move from hospitals to the ocean. The sea is one of the hardest places for any product, salt, humidity, temperature change, water pressure, and long-term corrosions attack the part every day. In this environment, a small pore, a weak coating edge, or a poor material choice can become a serious failure. This is why Sunrise-Aqua exists. Sunrise-Aqua is our process package for marine and harsh environment components. It focuses on internal density, material stability, corrosion resistance, sealing performance, and surface protections. For 2026, Aqua has 3 key upgrades: Sunrise Slurry Cast, Sunrise Aluminosilicon Alloy, and Sunrise Marine Coat. The first upgrade is Sunrise Slurry Cast 2026 semi-solid die casting technology. The process has 3 core steps: semi-solid die casting equipment, making slurry and mold filling, and injections. Semi-solid casting is not only about injections. The most important point is slurry quality. We control slurry temperatures, solidification, frictions, stirring time, sealing time, holding time, transfer time, and slurry uniformity. In simple words, we are controlling the state of the metal before it enters the mold. With better slurry control, we can improve internal structure density by 30%, reduce porosity down to 0.5%, and support up to 2 times sealing performance in target applications. Then comes Sunrise Aluminosilicon Alloys 2026, high corrosion resistance material. For marine parts, corrosion resistance is not only about the alloy length. It depends on composition control, melt cleanliness, microstructure, and internal defects. With Aluminosilicon Alloy 2026, we focus on controlling sensitive elements, reducing inclusions and oxide films, and improving material stability. Our target is to improve corrosion resistance by 30% under the same validation conditions. Finally, we protect the outside with Sunrise Marine Coat 2026 Marine Protection Coating. Marine coating is not simply paint on the surface. It is protection system. Pre-treatment must remove oil, oxide layers, release agent residue, and unstable material, surface material. The coating must protect flat surfaces, edges, holes, corners, and machined areas. For selected marine applications, our target coating thickness is 120 micron with 1,000 hours salt spray test validations. So Aqua 2026 not one single technology, that it is an update from internal metal structures to corrosion resistance material to marine surface protections. In the ocean, almost good is not good enough.